Hi students, we are continuing Standard 9 Cbse Maths and the chapter is Polynomials. Under Polynomials, we are into zeros of a polynomial. Okay, zeros of a. So we'll solve some more problems on this. So the question is determine the zero of the polynomial. Determine the zero of the polynomial. Determine the zero. So which polynomial? We'll see. X square minus 2. So here g x is the polynomial is equal to 3x square is equal to 3x square minus 2. Okay, 3x square minus 2. Gx is equal to 3x square minus 2. X is 2 upon root 2. And here we have to do two sums. First value of x is 2 upon root 2. 2 upon root 3, sorry. 2 upon root 3. And second value we are taking is x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. Okay. So we have to determine the zero of this, taking the values of x first here and this second. So first g 2 upon root 3 gx is equal to 3x square. So 3 into 2 upon root 3 bracket square minus 2. Okay. So here what we will get? Therefore, this is equal to 3. This is 2 upon root 3 bracket square. So that will become, if you open the bracket, 2 into 2 will be 4. Upon root 3 into root 3 will give us 3. Okay, root 3 into 3 root 3 will be 3. So 4 upon 3 minus 2. Okay. So that is equal to 3 into, we are opening the bracket, 3 into 4 upon 3 minus 2. So this 3 and 3 get cancelled. So what we get is remaining is 4 minus 2. So that is equal to 4 minus 2. That is 2. So here in this equation, determine the zero of the polynomial, we are getting x, value of x as 2. The zero of the polynomial. So now we will substitute this 3x square, sorry, x is this. So here this is not a zero of the polynomial, because here when we have taken x as 2 upon root 3, we are not getting a 0. Okay. So since we have not, when we have taken the value of x as 2 upon root 3 for this expression, what answer we get is 2 when we solve this out. So it means that x with this value is not a zero of the polynomial. Therefore, x is equal to 2 upon root 3 is not a 0. Got it? So determine the 0 of the, here we have determined that when we are taking in this expression 3x square minus 2, the value of x as 2 upon root 3, we get the answer 2. So it means that x is equal to 2 upon root 3 is not a 0 of the polynomial. That is the answer. It's not a 0. Then we'll try with x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. Minus 2 upon root 3. So I'll rub this out. The question is determine whether, this should be whether, determine whether x is the 0 of the polynomial. That is the question actually. Determine whether x is the 0 of the polynomial. So when we have taken this value of x, in the first we found that x is not a 0 of the polynomial in this case. Determine whether x is the 0 of the polynomial. That should be the actual question. Now we are taking again g x is minus 2 upon root 3. So that is equal to again 3 into bracket x square minus 2 upon root 3 bracket square minus 2. Okay. So again here that is equal to 3 minus 2 into minus 2. It is bracket square. So that will minus into minus will again become plus. So plus 4, 2 into 2 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it is again 4 upon 3 minus 2. So that is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 upon 3 in minus 2. So again we get the same answer. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So in this case also x is not a 0 of this polynomial. We have to determine whether x is a 0 of the polynomial. So in both the cases we found that x is not a 0 of the polynomial. We'll do one more. So now in this sum, it is given if x is equal to minus 2. Okay, if x is equal to minus 2 is the root of the equation, is the root of equation. The root of the equation root 2 is the root of the equation. Which equation? Root 2 x plus p is equal to 0, and is also the 0 is equal to 0 and is also the 0 of polynomial px square plus kx, the polynomial px square plus kx plus px square plus kx plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Root 2, then find the value of k. So what is given? If x is equal to minus 2 is the root of the equation. Which equation? Root 2 into bracket x plus p is equal to 0. So this, here they have said that the value of x is minus 2 and is also the 0 of the polynomial. So this x minus 2 they have given is also the 0 of which polynomial? This polynomial. Px square plus kx plus 2 root 2. Then find the value of k. So we have to ultimately find the value of this k. So first we know x is equal to, in this x is equal to minus 2. We have to find out the value of p also, because here p is also involved. So first in this we will have to find. Now therefore first we are taking root 2, then x plus p is equal to 0. This is the first polynomial. Now x plus root 2x plus p into bracket x plus p is equal to 0. Okay. So root 2 cannot be, is if we take only root 2, that is not equal to 0. Okay. Root 2 is not equal to 0. So what is remaining in this? X plus p. So x plus p is equal to 0, because root 2 is not equal to 0, but the entire polynomial is equal to, so we know that x plus p is equal to 0. Got it? Because root 2 is not equal to 0. So we are taking. Now we know the value of x. The value of x minus 2. So here x plus p is equal to 0. We know the value of x is given minus 2. So minus 2 plus p is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find the value of p. So we are taking p to the other side of the equation. So therefore minus 2 is equal to, this is plus p, it will become minus p. Okay. So minus 2 is equal to minus p. Therefore plus p will be plus 2. Therefore p is equal to 2. So now we know the value of x is minus 2 and the value of p is 2. We got both the values. Now we can substitute those values in this polynomial and we will have to find the value of k. Got it? So this was the first part of it. Now we will take this. Px square plus kx plus 2 root 2. Okay. So P is, now we know P is 2. Into bracket x is minus 2. So minus 2 bracket square plus we have to find the value of k. So it is k, x is minus 2 again. So again minus 2 plus 2 root 2. Got it? Px square plus kx plus 2 root 2 is p is 2. So 2 and x is minus 2. So into bracket minus 2 bracket square plus k into x is minus 2 plus 2 root 2. So therefore 2, this is minus 2 into bracket square. So minus 2 into minus 2 will give us 4. This becomes 4 plus k into minus 2 will be minus into bracket minus 2k, k into minus 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay, we have to find the value of k. So this we will have to take to the other side. Now this becomes 2 into 4 is 8. So here 8 and this is plus into minus. When we open this minus 2k which is in bracket, plus into minus will give us minus 2k plus 2 root 2. Okay, we have to find the value of k. So here now we will take first this minus 2k to the other side. So what will remain here is 8 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 2k. We are taking this minus 2k to the other side of the equation, other side, outside this. So it becomes plus 2k. We have to find the value of k. Okay, so therefore k is equal to this 8 plus 2 root 2 and divided by 2. This was 2k, so only k will be 2 will come here, so that goes to division. From this multiplication it will go to division. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Then again this is 2 here. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. So what is remaining here is 4 plus root 2. So therefore k is equal to 4 plus root 2. That is the find the value of k. So we have found the value of k is equal to 4 plus root 2. Got it? Yeah. So I will explain this to you, this sum. What is the given sum? If x is minus 2 is the root of the equation root 2 x plus p is equal to 0 and is also the 0 of the polynomial px square plus kx plus 2 root 2, then find the value of k. So first we have taken this root 2 into bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 0 because root 2 is not equal to 0. So x plus 2 is naturally equal to 0. We know x is given in the sum, value of x is minus 2. So minus 2 plus p is equal to 0. So minus 2 is equal to minus p. Therefore p is equal to 2. Okay. Now we are substituting in this px square plus kx plus 2 root 2. So p is 2, x is minus 2. So 2 minus 2 bracket square plus k, again x is minus 2 plus 2 root 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. So 2 into 4 is 8 plus minus 2 into k is minus 2k and this is plus 2 root 2. Now 8 plus this 2 root 2 is equal to 2k. Therefore k is equal to 8 plus 2 root 2 upon 2. So here we get 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So here what is remaining is k is equal to 4 root 2. Got it? Okay. That's all for this video. and subscribe to my channel. We'll do next in further videos. Okay.